Today we're doing a quick brisket. So I got this is a 12-pound brisket. I chopped the end off so it would be a little smaller and cook more evenly maybe. We'll cook that separate. We're heating up the barbecue right now. We just did a little bit of this on it because that's from Costco. Pick that up there. We're gonna see how it tastes. We did a first coating with kosher salt, all out of that. And now we're ready to throw it on the barbecue. Let's go check it out. So we're just getting this warmed up. We're gonna throw that right up on top here. We're gonna catch some drippings. It looks like it's going pretty well. It's probably hot enough. Okay, so the fire's going well. We got this sitting right here. We're gonna throw it right on there. We're gonna close this up because we had it open up to get the fire going. I think the fire's going. We're gonna starve it a little. I'm gonna pick this up. Okay, so it's going strong here. We're gonna close it down. It's 11:30-ish, I think, and we're gonna see how it goes. Let's check what the temperature is. We want it to stay at about 250. We got the smoker at a perfect temperature right now. It shows on here 250, 260 say, but on the probe inside the meat, it's only showing like 150. We're just gonna check in. I don't know how long it's been. It's been like 3 hours. Oh, something's happening. Uh-oh. We gotta pull this off. This guy, he's done. That guy looks done. It's been 4 hours. We're gonna check on this. Looks good. This piece looks like he's done. We should test him. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take this guy out. We're gonna put him into this tray and wrap it, because it's been here a long time. So this is what the brisket looks like. It has just come off after 7.5, maybe 8 hours. We're gonna cut it in half. Here we go. Let's see what it looks like inside. Oh, it looks juicy. Juicy inside. Let's see. I think it's gonna be good. The birthday girl. So it's really juicy and delicious and melts in your mouth.